to get a tan. So we're at the beach today.
Hello, go say mama. Yellow.
I'm on my way to get a tan. How gorgeous it looks. Wow! Cape Town. But it's literally 100 degrees today.
1,000 degrees.
1,000 degrees. So we've decided that hot girl summer is over.
Because we can't handle the heat. Are you fucking mad?
It's too hot in this heat. Your man is dying here. Not dying. And please make it a nap. Oh, I'm a double chin. And me. Why'd you get rid of it?
I don't even know. You draw exercise like this. No, that doesn't work.
Maybe I just sit like this.
Babes, must I do it for you.
I really feel for soccer.
I can make you bowling.
It's like 25 rand.
Yeah, what you say, we're not going to pay more than 20. He's going to say, I'll give it to you for 20.
Okay.
Okay. And the next guy. Isn't it the guy that's
Oh, model.
You look like sisters.
Oh my word. Sisters.
And Kitty does that 3-month-old also. Meet the baby. Funny my baby.
What baby?
My baby mom.
Oh.
I can't do it now, sorry.
Iman has a talent. She can make herself look like she's pregnant. Can you now?
No, I can't right.
Okay, she can now. When you go to the beach, I think the best ice cream or soccer to eat is
Yeah, because you don't have ice cream, it's gonna melt. It's gonna be like all bulk. Suckers, you're supposed to.
And this is basically like
You know what I said?
a
Then
fruit.
the lolly make it jolly.
yeah, basically. Ach, my hair is full of.
Sucker.
It's honestly so hot that you can't even
Breathe.
like walk to the water.
It's too
I
hot.
really can't deal.
No,
It's
when
too
I
hot,
got
you
up, I was
can't.
like, is this really worth it? So I just wet my toes and
I
come back.
can't. I have to just sit here. It's too hot to move.
It's way too hot. honestly.
Ma,
Sam, I'm shooting.
how was it?
Sandy Makuchi.
No! At least we have a pretty view.
Here's the pretty view.
Lol. Wow. You really have to use your front camera. I don't think anyone looks nice putting the mascara on.
Mag-take like a plate sa rin.
We want prawns. Prawns.
Ang maalan yung super sa yung galing ng Uber.
Yeah.
Ay, yung galing ng Uber is not bad. Ay, yung maalan yung Uber.
Mom?
Yep. Oh, lovely.
Amateur. met jou ouwe.
Jazz.
Jazz. Yo, wat ik zo lekker. Honestly, the biggest dish.
The biggest one ever. Red timing.
I just want to take a nap.
Diet girls.
Fat girl club, fat girl club. What else?
Hungry girl.
Hungry girl club. Do I look like the date? Let's go. So we decided to come to Camps Bay. Yay!
Yo, we had the best food. Wow.
We basically just were at the beach all day.
Yeah.
We went to Clifton Fourth this morning or afternoon, whatever, and then we came to
Camps Bay.
Ocean Basket in Camps Bay, and now we're at the beach.
Coffee.
Yeah, the iced coffee was so good. And these restaurants look so cute. Look how cute they are actually.
They are very cute.
Yeah, Tiger's Milk. Tiger's Milk has the best cheesecake. They're the best cheesecake. I'm on my way to the beach. Beach part 2. Yippee! The water literally looks dead. Like it doesn't look like it's moving at all. It's so flat. There's no wind at all. Ooh, look at the view. It looks so nice. It does! The water's freezing.
My pants is wet. What dog is it? Something for coldest.
Yeah.
Eat a sheep or cow or goat or something and you don't eat for 6 months. That's a month, lady.
So we just got home and I went to go shower. Iman's in the shower now. Sam is at work, so we'll probably have to wait for. Wow, look at my hair. We'll have to wait for. She'll probably only finish at 10 o'clock. I think at 10. So I'm just gonna drink my Coke. I really feel full. I just brushed my hair and put some stuff on it. I really feel for a Oreo McFlurry from McDonald's. Maybe when I go fetch my brother by his friend, then I can ask my daddy to buy me a McFlurry because I really feel for one now. We came to McDonald's in my pajamas. Pajamas. Nice. Those are left out. It's okay.
It's okay, we still love you. Your girl. No, you will. But you can do it. So.
What do people say? We secure the bag.
Yeah. Secure the bag, commands, and
Secure the bag. Yay! Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.